Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. I got a request from my good friend Rydescho to draw his original character Blood Sable in my own style for the occasion of his son's birthday. So of course I said yes, Blood Sable is an awesome character and I will tell you more about him while I'm drawing, so let's go. Rydescho created this character for his son to show him his autism doesn't define him but makes him super. And I really liked his idea and I didn't hesitate 1 second to say yes to the request to draw this character for his son's birthday. Rydescho is such a great guy and creative force. Go and follow him on Instagram, I guarantee you'll get inspired by his drive and creativity. The design of this character is awesome, I love the color choice as well, a lot of great heroes are red and blue. Spider-Man and Superman are the first that come to mind. I also had a lot of fun with his hair and got my inspiration from the Dragon Ball Z characters I loved as a kid. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Eric Burns is a devoted husband, father and hard-working man. When he loses the love of his life, he makes it a priority to raise his son with love and kindness for her. Before his wife's passing, she sent him a gift, a Blood Sable amulet, her last wishes before she passed. He would cherish it and wear it the rest of his days. Eric is a welder, grinding day after day to make sure his son has everything he needs. One night, after Eric and his son were asleep, 3 shadowy figures broke into their house, kidnapped his son and killed Eric. As he laid lifeless on the floor, the amulet came to life. The amulet laid in his blood and it activated a parasite inside. It attached itself to his heart, bringing Eric back to life. Even though Eric doesn't know what will happen with this new power, this parasite is willing to give him the means possible for both of them to survive. All Eric Burns cares about is getting his son back and making sure he is safe, no matter what the cost, no matter who is in his way. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Blood Sable, and tell me, do you guys have an original character laying around that you've created and you would like me to draw it in my style? Let me know it in the comment section and maybe we can hook up. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!